So I'm back on my project of the little mini bike build that I bought for a couple dollars. And this is all a piece of shit plastics that came with it. I know they are not all there, but I'm gonna try and put some of this shit back together. I'm gonna clean these pieces up, plastic weld what I could, and if there's more pieces that's really missing, I'll just say fuck it, throw the side pieces away and just keep whatever is on this front head fairing. The tail section, the tank, and the front fender, and the rear tire hugger. I'll just keep them. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm gonna clean them up. And next thing, what I'm getting ready to do is I'm gonna clean them, prime them, and paint them. The paint ain't gonna be nothing spectacular, just gonna be one solid color. I don't know what color. I haven't chose the color yet, but it ain't much you can do, especially when you don't got everything. So I'm washing these parts in the sink. Don't mind the house. It's all dirt, grime. I ain't doing them 100% when I'm getting most of this grime off. So I gotta have somewhat of a clean surface. As you see, I got broken pieces. All of this stuff. I'm a plastic weld. I really don't even know if it's worth it because I know for sure I don't even got enough pieces to make a complete side. But we'll find out. That's clean as I'm getting it. I ain't going into too detail with this shit. And just sit them right on the floor. I gotta mop the floor anyways. Another broken piece. It's got to get plastic welded up here. Let's see how that turns out. Some of y'all don't even wash your dishes. Another larger piece broken there. Got a plastic weld broken here. Got to get cleaned up. I'm not getting this shit out 100%, but I definitely want to do a little bit of a clean surface to work with. The way when I'm touching shit and greasy and grimy. That's why I ain't got too much water in the sink. Good as that's getting. This is the other side. It looks like road rashed. That piece done too. I'm only sitting them on the floor because we got a tile floor. We actually had to cut some of these pieces out, have somebody lay in a few new ones. And we gotta clean the floor because the glue is still on the floor from the residue. I just finished up the tank, just washing that down. I still gotta do that green towel section in its front fairing, but I gotta take it apart because it's one side, the other side, and then the windscreen. I'm not gonna take that into all this cleaning shit, but just give you a heads up on what I'm doing. So I got all the pieces washed down and laid out. That shit broke in so many pieces, but it definitely go there. There's some pieces that's supposed to be filled in there, and that goes there. And the kickstand comes through that opening, and there's a bunch of shit missing from there. But that side might not even be on the bike. I don't know. It's supposed to look something similar to this blue piece. Tank side fairing. I probably won't even use the white and blue shit this side or that side. The other side, I had to take the windscreen off and separate it because it was still connected to both side pieces, and the headlight was still in it. Front fender. But this concludes this video. Next video, I should be prepping it, getting it sand. There's probably going to be numerous videos because I'm not going to be sanding this shit all day, especially in one video. But if you like what you see so far, please hit the subscribe button, leave a like, comment. Also, if you know where you can find some hard to reach fairings for these pocket bikes, please let me know, because the only thing I'm finding online is just the tank or the two side fairings, and most of the times they don't even got the side fairings. If they don't have the side fairings, they just have these other halves. But other than that, it's just the tank and all the accessories. All that other shit I can't find. It's like they discontinued them. So until next video, I'll see y'all.